what's on the itinerary? Well, first of all, I'm actually going to be doing this as part of my full-time occupation, so expect a lot more consistency going into the rest of this year. But also, we're going to be releasing videos not just once a week. It's likely going to be somewhere near 3 times a week. If I can do that, we'll see. But they'll likely be short videos that sort of explain small art topics bit by bit, one by one, and we're going to progressively get through it all in full detail. We're not going to skip over anything. We're not just going to have these bullet point 15 tips or whatever. We're going to have specific topics covered one by one to help you get better at art. So this is just a video to let you know what's coming. Just expect more, expect better from the Graybox. And also, beyond the Graybox, this channel is called Bijon, and for a reason. I am going to be uploading basically anything that I am interested in. Basically, that could range from media reviews to whatever the case may be. So I hope you'll stick with me through that, because it'll be kind of a fun ride, I hope. Either way, take care. Love you guys. Thank you so much for the continued support. And I'm so sorry that it's taken me this long, but we're finally getting back into it. So, next video, you're going to be watching the Graybox.